Go.
What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. As you see, this is the car channel, but we are on the camera. If y'all like this, let me know, because I know the quality looks better probably. But anyways, today we do have a review on a product. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, honestly, and they told me to give me my honest review, so I'm gonna be giving it to you. So this box right here from One Car Stereo, it's a box that allows you to turn your, I guess, your Apple CarPlay into a smart device. It gives you access to like YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, everything that you could think of. It turns it into. There are devices out there that are like, it's a military jet. All right, so this box does start at $159.99, and I have seen alternatives that I actually have some friends that has one of them, and they actually go for $400 a piece. And this is literally the same thing, I would say, because I saw them get theirs, I saw theirs get installed. It's the same thing, but it's actually $400. So this is a better alternative for $160. So the link for this will be in the description below, the top of the description. I don't know. They said they was gonna give me one, but I don't see where you can type it in on Amazon. Let's go ahead and get in the car, and I can show y'all everything it does, and I can give you my review on it, and let's go. Damn! Okay, so what you have to do is plug and play, literally, pretty much. Boom. Get it right there. Then you just plug it into USB or USB-C. I have USB. I don't have USB-C. So, get that right, boom, turn the car on. Actually, I'll do this in accessory mode so y'all can hear. Sorry about that. All right, boom. So, as you can see, I gotta close your door. All right, so boom. The regular radio is loading up right now. I hope this actually works in here. Yes, boom. So look, as you see, we're not plugged in. You just have to, it gives you your warnings like, do not answer the phone, abide by local traffic laws. Like, what are you making this noise for? Okay, boom. Agree and accept. So when you open, this is the screen it gives you right here. It's like a little home screen. As you see, there's YouTube, your Google browser, Google Play Store, Bluetooth music, clear tabs. This is how you like close all of your apps if they're open or whatever. It closes it off. And then your Google navigation, all of this. But you do have to have like a hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection. That's the only thing. So if you have a hotspot on your car, on your phone, you could just turn that on and it works. So right now we're connecting. Okay, boom, we're connected. So as you see, like I said, YouTube or whatever. And here's your little home button to get back to the original screen. You can move it around. Okay, so as you see, like, here's your little screen or whatever. Sometimes it is a little slow, but it also depends on your service of your phone. And this phone doesn't have the best service right now. And I am outside my house, but the Wi-Fi isn't that good over here either. But anyways, yeah, like, you wanna watch Tom and Jerry? Holy shit, it's hot as fuck.
I'm not a gimmicky lawyer. I'm not here to tell you that the insurance companies will pay you because they're scared of me. What I will tell you...
Boom. You see that? You can literally watch YouTube, like I said. And then, like, if I were you, I would just clear the task every time. It even stays down there. Boom. Clear that. Okay, it's still fine. All right, so yeah, there we go. And then like your browser, you can literally go on Google Chrome, whatever. And it also has an apps filter, like not a filter. It also has an apps tab. You just click app, boom. You got your Disney Plus, Gmail if you want to like read some work emails, I guess. Bluetooth call, Chrome, I forgot exactly what it is. Oh yeah, you can screenplay. You can share your phone screen to that. And then here's Hulu, Netflix. We'll open Netflix so y'all can see that too. Cause I feel like YouTube and Netflix is gonna be like the most thing people are gonna use. Okay, like we can watch the Titanic right now. That shit probably gonna take too goddamn long to look. If you wanna watch Love Island. Oh, there we go.
You guys are
yeah, as you see. Boom, you can watch all of those things. And then Yeah, Hulu. I'm not signing on Hulu, but you can get your Google Maps. Yeah. Okay, so back to the Apple CarPlay. There's a car auto button. Is this one right here? You just click that one. It takes a few seconds to connect to your phone. Boom, Apple CarPlay. As you see, unplugged. This is Apple CarPlay. Look, here's the charger right here. As you can see, so I'm not lying. This is plugged in right here. Nothing is plugged in. So yeah, and I actually do like it. Only problem is sometimes when you first get in the car and like you try to play your music, it won't play. So let's try. You know, it's actually playing right now. So yeah, that's the only downfall to this, I would honestly say. It's a little glitchy when you first get it, like I said, but other than that, it's pretty good. And it actually isn't like, you might think I'm gonna crash this bitch if I watch and drive. Okay, so you can actually have it safe. It's actually got like good safe things. Okay, system settings. As you see, you can turn off the video while you're driving. So it's like safer basically. Like you don't want to like let's say you give this to your kid or whatever. Not your kid, but like, well, anybody really. If they just want to watch on their lunch break or something, they can do that. But you can turn it off to when you're driving. But it does work when you're driving. It says the HDMI sound output. You can turn all those things on so you can actually hear the thing. And then, yeah, there's a bunch of different things on here that what is this? Just like Google. Oh shit. Okay, I didn't even know it had that, but that's hard. But yeah, like even it's got a movies tab somewhere. Video. And it has a movie on there. I don't know what movie this is. Fast. This Fast Five? Fast. This is Fast and Furious something. Oh, this is a trailer. So I guess you could, like I said, that HDMI or USB, you can probably just put in like a USB drive if you have something downloaded. All right, y'all, so we are done with the review, and I just wanted to give y'all my rating 1 out of 10. I would say, I really want to give it a 10, but I personally would give it a 9, just because like I told y'all, like the Bluetooth connection where you try to play the music and the music stops and it keeps starting, or it doesn't start, it just stops and you hit start and it stops again. That's the only downfall I would say of it, but there's probably a way you can fix that. It might be on my part that I'm messing up, but and you can even plug up your phone and charge your phone and it doesn't interfere with it. You just have to take off your phone from that from your CarPlay and to use the box. But yeah, I would give it a 9 out of 10, especially for the price. 160 compared to 400. I've seen some for 200. I've been wanting to get my hands on a box like this for so long. I just wasn't paying 400, and I want to give a big shout out and a big thanks to One Car Stereo for sending that out. Make sure y'all go to the link down below and purchase yours. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and if any other companies want to work with me, business email down below. Sending things out, we can do reviews or whatever, because I enjoy doing this stuff. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.